day, everybody! I enjoyed my few days off and now we continue with a little trip. Guys, I am so thrilled because I'm going to Belgrade. What? Just trying to set something up. Very tricky. Oh my god. You should see my construction. Sorry guys, I know this is a bit weird. I'm so excited to go to Belgrade because I only know it from Tamara's and Filippo's stories, and according to their stories, I'm up for something. Alright, let's finish packing. I am only taking hand luggage. And my hand luggage is surprisingly empty. And I have like 5 outfits in here. I don't know how it's possible, but also we're so lucky because it's gonna be so warm in Belgrade. The one thing that's not so good is that there's no direct flights. I mean, there are, but there are like the timings of the direct flights are not giving. So now we are traveling there with a layover. Oh my god. I think I never had such a empty suitcase. Usually my suitcase is so heavy. If you work at the airport and you heard me say this, no you didn't. Like my biggest horror is when they're like, okay, let's weigh your suitcase, like your hand luggage. And like my handbag is like 12 kilos because of all my books. This one is like 16 and now it's not even that light. I think this is maybe 10. That's not bad. So we're double roaring. Okay, I've got my books. Ooh, I forgot something. Okay, I've got the snacks. Now my glasses. Headphones. Hair. Book. Maybe put the glasses in here. Okay, for some weird reason, these bags are so full. And this one is so heavy. I don't understand. Okay, you know what? At this point, it is what it is. I'm a chronic overpacker. Why would I pretend to be anything else? Okay, so we have this bag. Oof. And then I've got her. And yeah, I think we're ready to go. Belgrade, I'm coming for ya. I'm actually so excited. I want you to stay. Na, 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 na. Hey, who is this? Who is this? Oh, you're Rosie, it's just one night. One night only. Oh, my little girl. One night only. Oh, you're so sweet. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so cute. Warm hot. Ooh. Yeah. Are you protecting me? Are you protecting me? This dog is so funny. He's so funny. Oh, baby. I feel like she wants to talk to me. What do you want to say, huh? Okay. What is it? What is it, my dear? What is it? I feel like she's a little bit anxious. I think she knows that we're leaving. But Uzi's only for one day. You're so wonderful. Oh, stop it. I wonder if she looks at the camera. Let me check, because that would be really weird. Okay, I'm about to cry. This is like I love when she does that. I think I'm gonna miss my flight because I cannot move.
Good start! Bye!
I couldn't move.
Have a good start!
I had to sit like this for 20 minutes.
No.
It was just so cutesy.
Man, you're fucking nasty.
My fit of the day. I think this is the first time I'm wearing colors while traveling. Sweet. Okay, I think now it's really time to go. How's the coffee?
It's quite good. You wanna try?
Quite good does not make me happy as an answer.
Wow.
It's hot, no? Guys, Rue's the funniest dog because she's like, I love you the most, I love you the most. Like, she's obsessed with us. And then we drop her off at our friends. She literally like runs inside. Like, she's so excited to explore. She like dragged our friend up the stairs. She wanted to explore everything. I'm like, wow, this dog. She is a very funny dog.
Fun dog.
It smells a bit acidy.
No, but that's not so What do you say?
The first taste was the hardest. The very first hit is like, whoa. And then it's soft. What are you doing on the flight?
OC California. You?
Wait, I think I didn't tell our friends that we're obsessed with OC California. Like literally this morning while packing, I was thinking about the series non-stop. Isn't that wild?
That's wild. So I don't know if we have internet on the flight.
No, we need to download. Can we not?
Mm-hmm.
So I tried doing Marissa Cooper makeup. I don't think I succeeded. But also my hair is like too blonde. I need a bit of warmer, darker shade. Because I'm gonna be a spitting image of her. I wish. I wonder, maybe you guys know. Do you know anybody who can do this like very expensive looking dark blonde? Like Taylor Swift also has this like very luxe like dark blonde that's like warm. And I feel like I'm so ashy and I need somebody who can do it. But like one color, not just highlights. Also I feel like I'm so over short hair. I'm like so over it.
It's already so much longer.
I know, but like yes, it looks good, but it's not the look that I want. I want long hair. Would you say I'm annoying?
No. Would you say you're annoying?
Mm-hmm. I'm very annoying. But I think that's what's very likable about me.
Yeah, it's annoyingly likable.
I think like Tamara likes that about me the most. I'm so annoying. I think you're very lucky when I'm annoying to you.
Yeah.
Like you're lucky to know me that well that I'm annoying.
Yeah, it's such a blessing.
Wow, it's pretty. It's pretty. And there's Bulgari. But this building has my heart. Do you think the people who live like on top, they come out in the morning and wave to us peasants? There's an advertisement of Tiffany in front of Tiffany.
When I turn up, you get going. At every stop, baby, oh, it's showing. If I should stay, you find a reason to leave. When I'm busy, that's the time you are free. Just tell me, what should I do? How can I get how can I get through? How can I get through? Tell me, baby.
Very, very, very beautiful.
Can I get through to you?
Wow.
With every step you take to, I keep reaching out to you. If I go left,
Tamarom.
Give me piece of Tamarom is here.
And Filippo with the pizza and the pineapple.
Guys, Xenia and Jürgen are in Belgrade for the first time. And Oksana, I think, too. Yeah.
The first thing we did is we went to an Italian restaurant.
Yes, because the food is really good
Because we
here.
wanted something really local.
And because we're trying to annoy Filippo by telling him that food is better than in Italy. But, you know, we just like to joke with Filippo.
But they didn't want to serve him the pineapple on the pizza.
Yes, or Nutella.
But it's not real Serbian style.
Yeah, we like it more with meat.
Famous Serbian cheese, Parmigiano.
Famous pljukanci. Famous Serbian cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano DOP. Reggiano, yeah, from the region. Parmigiano Reggiano from the region here. Famous pasta, and that's it.
It is pasta normal.
No, it's truffle.
Truffle.
Super spicy Jürgen pasta. Yum, yum, yum. Serbian. So Serbian.
How do you call it in Serbian?
Pasta.
It's called Dragomir pasta.
Pasta flava shal.
That is the St. Regis Hotel. And it was the pre-open 2 weeks ago
Oh, really? Why are we not staying there?
because that is not open for the guest.
Oh,
It was just pre-open for the government and for investors.
Are we not the
And-
government?
No, but okay, it will be official open, I think, last week of October.
running away from me. You keep running away from me. Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby.
Hey guys! I am currently in my hotel. We're at the Hyatt Regency and I actually have to give you a little tour. I think the room is so nice, no? So, you walk in here and then we have Jürgi Pops. Jürgi Pops. Somebody said you look like Jacob Elordi.
That was crazy, right? We have to frame it.
But I actually said today, Jürgen has his Riz back. Jürgen Riz.
What does it even mean?
I feel like it's like the it factor. It's a vibe. I feel like the vibe is like Rizzy. And I think it's your style.
It's my sweater.
No, but I think you're just like vibey.
Just so vibey.
You're such a vibe, Jürgen.
Such a vibe.
Damn. Okay, so we've got this little room, which unfortunately I cannot use because I'm here for a hot second, okay? Why are we staying so short? Oh, because we have work. Never mind. Okay, so this is the bedroom. Wait, do you want to see the Eiffel Tower? Look, guys. And there's the famous Eiffel Tower. Wow, it's beautiful. And then you go over here. And we're back. So we went to an Italian restaurant and it was right by the river. Here are the first things I noticed about Belgrade. And I've only been here for like a few hours. But what I noticed, and I don't know if it's just like what I've seen today, but I feel like there's a lot of men. like relatively lots of men compared to the amount of women. And I noticed that at the airport, and then I noticed it at the restaurant, and I'm also noticing it at the hotel. But again, I've been here for a hot second, so maybe I'm wrong. People are super nice. I mean, I didn't expect anything else. Here again. Oh! One big thing that I noticed, and that literally blows my mind. The Coca-Cola tastes so much better here than anywhere else. And somebody needs to make a study on this, because what do they put in the Coke? It's so... Like, if Coca-Cola would always taste like this, I think I wouldn't drink anything else. It's just so delicious. Because it has this like perfect, sparkling, like feeling. It's not too sweet. It's like, it just tastes fresh. Actually, all the food I've had so far, and I ate like 3 times, it was so good. I think they're really, 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 really good with food. But also, fun fact, we, like when we were looking for a restaurant, like their menu had not a single vegetarian option. Like not one. Not one. Not even like French fries on the side. And I was like, oh yeah, I remember that this is a very like meaty place. And I remember when I was still eating meat, I loved cevapcici. Like I loved it, oh my god. So we drove through like the city center, and some parts reminded me of Berlin. I thought that's interesting. I mean, it makes sense, but yeah, so every like little part of town reminded me of something else. It was like this big mix of, there's Warsaw, there's like Istanbul, there's like a town in Spain that reminds me of this. Like, it's so random. But also Tamaron. So we now, as of now, we call Tamara only Tamaron. And she told me about the itinerary for tomorrow. First of all, it starts at 7, which, that's okay. But she didn't think of a place to go for coffee. And I don't know if you guys know me before coffee, but you shouldn't know me before coffee. So yeah, I'm very excited for tomorrow, and I'm finishing up my routine. Today I was looking through like old photos of me from 2017, because I wanted that hair that I had back in the days. Like, the hair color was so good, and I realized that my skin used to be so much worse than it is now, and that is so interesting, because my whole skincare journey, I sometimes forget that I used to have really bad skin. And I'm not even talking about 2017. I remember when I was like 18, you know, like that age, I had really bad skin, and I would always get these like pimples for my whole face that are so huge. I forgot the name of them. Like in German you call them Furunkel. They're so painful, they're so big, and I had them all over my face, and it was so frustrating. I'm just very happy to live in a time where skin care got so good, skin treatments got so good, and I don't even like I did one laser in Korea last year that was pretty good, but like I love a vampire facial, and honestly I'm so happy we live in times like these. What did people do like 500 years ago without even, maybe they had creams, I don't know. Oh my god, do you think they didn't have pimples because there was no like environment that caused them? Anyway, you can tell it's getting late. I better go to sleep. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.